Listen up, champions. In a world where chaos is the default setting, it's time to step into the forge and become your own mental blacksmith. You don't get a razor-sharp mind by lounging in comfort. You earn it hammering out weak thoughts on the anvil of discipline. Every distraction is a dull edge. Grab that mental sledgehammer and smash the useless noise. Mold your thinking until it's so sharp it slices through obstacles like butter. Legends aren't born from wishful thinking. They're crafted by relentless minds. Forge your edge. Dominate your destiny.